Hey everyone, back at you again with another unboxing. Today we have a Nintendo Switch OLED model, the white one. So, starting out, just to give you the pricing, the retail price was $349.99, and after California taxes, we're looking at $381.65. Give you some specs of the actual device here. So in this box, we should have one Nintendo Switch console, two Joy-Cons, both of them are white, a right and left, Joy-Con straps, a high-speed HDMI cable, Nintendo Switch dock, white, Joy-Con grips, and a Nintendo Switch AC adapter. And then just a few specs here. This is going to be a 7-inch OLED screen, 64GB system memory. The dock does support LAN, and then on the back of the Switch, it does note that it's going to have an adjustable stand. Just like all other Switches, the OLED model is going to have a tabletop mode, it's going to have a TV mode, and a handheld mode. So very versatile device, super excited. Let's actually get into the unboxing now. There's no stickers on the outside of this, which is interesting. It's going to open up like this. Alright, so this is what you get when you first initially open it up. Pull out this first bit of this first piece here. And it all comes out kind of like this. So it looks like you have the two Joy-Cons. They're very small. But I guess if it's a travel console, that's very good to have it be small. Here's the actual OLED screen. We'll set this aside. Doesn't look like there's anything else in here. Well, maybe there's the back panel. Health and safety guide. So we'll set this aside. Here's the actual screen. It's very thin. It's very heavy. Slide it out. Wow. Immediately I can tell it has very thin bevels or beveling. So a lot of actual game on the screen, not a lot of, here's that adjustable stand on the back. So if you want to set it while you're playing on a tabletop mode, that's nice. Let's open up these Joy-Cons. Very nice. Has like a matte finish. And to slide it on, there's a little button in the back that you push. Nice, nice click when you put the Joy-Con on. Ooh, love that. That's a beauty right there. I think me and Maria decided we definitely prefer the white Joy-Cons to the red and blue ones, so much more sophisticated look. It's super wide. This is great. Let's get into the rest of the box here. So that's the handheld tabletop. I'll set that down. Now we got the rest of the box. I don't even know what else is in here, so. The bottom here. Oh, it's the stand right here at the bottom. Lots of bubble wrap for popping later for fun. Or repackaging if we decide to do any reselling of any kind. Ooh. Very nice. This is for the TV mode, I imagine. Let's see what else we got. We're pulling out all these cables now. So we've got the high definition HDMI cable. This is the power cable. It's a USB-C. And then, oh, this is nice. So if you want to make your Joy-Cons into a controller, it comes with a little controller adapter type thing. You just slide them in the same way you would slide them into the actual tabletop mode. And then here are the two. Let's pull these out. I like the black and white a lot. What are these called? These are the Switch Dock White Joy-Con straps. These are the Joy-Con straps. So if we decide to get crazy with it, moving around a lot, we don't want to break anything. And that's really it. The inside of the box is empty. It's a really nice box. I like the stuff that it came in. There's some setup instructions on the side here. Probably keep the box just in case. But that's it. Nintendo Switch OLED white 7-inch screen with the tabletop mode. And I think to do TV mode, you have the stand, you literally just drop it in there. Yeah, it fits perfectly. So that'll just be on the countertop connected to the TV. It's gonna be great. Can't wait to play it. Again, the total price was $381.65, and I'll be honest, with 3 game modes: tabletop, TV mode. What was the last one? Tabletop, TV mode, handheld mode. That's a great price. All right, so I'll be back again at a later date with more tech unboxing, but until then, I hope you enjoyed.